Hi guys, I thought I would include this clip in this video on this unbranded sprinkler that is distributed by Orbit as the 55016. It has a bit of a flaw in the design here with the trip mechanism that can cause the arm to catch and stay in one position, not able to move, and then you end up with a flood as it just sits in that position until you notice that it's not working. I'll show you an easy fix to get it to be reliable again. Now let's take care of the little issue that can cause the sprinkler to hang up in reverse. First I'll put a paper towel so we can kind of keep track of all the parts. There's a little E-clip on the bottom, and to remove that just use a small slotted screwdriver. And there's a small washer. Next, the upper and lower trip will slide off the pin. There's another washer in between here. This is the issue area here. Now I've already taken a file to mine and taken off about a 1/64 of an inch. So I just used a piece of wood like this here so that I don't have to worry about this trip spring. I can just sort of hang it over the edge and file this down. If you don't have a file handy, and maybe have one of these rotary tools, you can use that and grind that area down, and that should cure the problem. Now to put everything back together again, what I found that's easiest is to hook in the trip spring there into that little hole right there. And then try and slide it on there as a complete unit. But first I'm going to put the little washer in there. Now this washer has a rounded side and a flat side. As this has a raised area here and here, I'm going to put the round side facing that raised area. It may or may not make any difference. Slide those up, and then the rounded side of the washer, or the smooth side, put that up against that raised area, and then the E-clip. Oops, that's what you don't want to do. You don't want to lose that. Snaps back in place. And now there's clearance between the arm and the upper trip. And that shouldn't hang up in reverse. Now back to the sprinkler in operation.